So what to do? What to do? You've forgotten something that I have told you. For any cause or sin, we have to know this true fact. Any sin or cause function. Hello? Sin of an anger, highest, highest is 1, lowest is -1. Same go with cause of an anger. Highest is 1, lowest is -1. So when we want to solve part A, what we need to do is cause of this angle highest is 1, lowest is -1. So this is the, so now I have to times with this, correct? So I just times. Am I right? So the question told me that is this. So I make a conclusion. C pi over 8 is equal to 2√2 pi. So can I find C?
Yeah.
I told you this is a very important fact. So please don't ignore this. Can I not? Okay, so can you tell me what is the value of C? I can also make it the minimum velocity is that.
6.
Yeah. So what is
16
C?
root 2.
Yeah, 16 root 2.
Yes, thank you. So C is 16√2. Pi and pi can, oh, sorry. So pi and pi cancel. So C is 8 times 2√2. So it's 16√2. Yeah. So now, how is our velocity function look like? So our velocity function is, can I just write that 2√2 pi cos pi by 8 t plus pi by 4? Can I put it like that? Right? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now if I want to find displacement function, what must I do to the velocity function?
Integrate it.
Yeah, so can you please integrate this? So you just be patient, write down everything. Although it looks very complicated, actually it's not at all. So you integrate cos, you got sin. So just follow the formula. Okay, Ken, Gerald, you go ahead and switch it off. Okay, have you got? So just write down. You integrate cos, you get sin. Write down the angle. Divide by. Okay, divide by what?
Pi over 8.
Divide by pi over 8, correct or not? Mikia?
Yes.
Is it divided by pi over 8 or pi over 4?
This is
Pi over 8 or pi over 4?
pi over 8.
Pi over 8. Yeah, coefficient of t, correct? So divide by pi over 8. Okay, so when you get that, okay, the pi and the pi can cancel. So divide by 1 over 8 means times 8. So you get 16 root 2 sin pi over 8t plus pi over 4 plus c. Okay, so now we have to get our c based on this information. So I will put 16 equal to 16 root 2. The t I put 0. So I got sin pi by 4 plus c. Okay, can someone tell me what is sin pi by 4?
It's root 2 over 2.
Okay, in this case, you put 1 over root 2 will be better, right? So therefore, your c in this case is equal to 0. Okay? Can or not? So therefore, your equation of ST will be equal to 2 root 2, 16 root 2, sorry. It will be 16 root 2 sin pi over 8t plus pi over 4 in meter, okay? Can or not? Okay, now, the next one. We want to find the total distance traveled by the particle in the first 20 seconds. Now, how are you going to do this? Now we got two functions to be chosen, to be used. Okay, to be used. You want to use your ST function or you want to use your VT function? Okay, which one you want to use? Okay, there is one suggestion from your friend. You want to use the VT function. So if you want the VT function, that means you know that if you want the total distance traveled, you have to find the area bounded by this curve. Am I right? Am I right? But if you try to plot this curve, can you please try to plot your VT curve? How your VT curve will be like? I think your VT curve will go some sort like this, if I'm not mistaken. Am I right? So can you please plot your VT curve, everyone now? T from 0 to 20, zoom fit. Oh, I'm wrong. So your curve go by this way. Come down. Oh, sorry. You come down. Then you go up. Then you come down until here. Am I right? So now what you need to do is you need to break into, you need to get the coordinates of here, here, and here. Then you have to find here, here separately. Am I right?
Yep.
So now can you get this one, and this one?
Coordinates.
You know how to get the coordinate of the x-intercept or not? Go to your
Yes.
calculator, 0. There are 4 zeros, 3 zeros that you have to find. Okay, the first one is x equal to 2. T equal to 2, am I right?
Yep.
Then the second one,
10.
10. Third one,
18.
18. Okay, so that means if you want, you have to do the integral like that. Integrate 0 to 2 Vt dt plus, if I want to make it positive, I have to put the 10 down here, the 2 up here, correct? Vt dt, then plus 10 to 18 Vt dt, then plus 20 to 18 Vt dt. Okay, patiently key in. This is in your Y1, Okay, with your graphic calculator, you can do it pretty well. May I know what is the answer? Actually, this area A and area B, they are of the same. Do you know that? Are you done?
Is it 103.76?
103.76.
76.
103.76. Let me check. Yeah. Everyone, you get this value? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now I just want you to think. Can I use this to find also? Is it possible for me to, based on the ST graph, and find the total distance traveled? You try to plot your ST graph and see. Because exam, I can give you a ST graph and ask you to find the total distance traveled. Can you plot the ST graph? Okay, do you get the graph like I get for the ST?
Yep.
Do you get the point like that? Okay, may I know what is the maximum displacement? May I know what is the maximum displacement? May I know what is the maximum displacement? Queen? Based on this function, may I know what is the maximum displacement? Hello?
Is it 22.6?
Is it 16 root 2? Why you all still cannot get it? Look, this is called the amplitude. 16 root 2. Lowest, negative 16 root 2.
Oh, yeah.
Am I right?
Yep.
So if I put it as a motion in the straight line based on the graph, just want to let you have a look at it. This is my origin. So it starts from here, 16. Then it moves to 16 root 2. Then after that, it make a U-turn. Then go bypass. Then go right up to negative 16 root 2. Yeah. Then after that, it make a U-turn again. Then go to 16 root 2. Then from here, make a U-turn again. Then go back to 16. Can or not? Hello? So what is the total distance traveled? Here to here is 16 root 2. Here to here is also 16 root 2, correct? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So can I say the total distance traveled is? Yeah, from here to here, you look. And here to here. There are 4 of them. So it's 4 times of 16 root 2 plus. Okay, from here to here is 16 root 2 minus 16, correct? Hello, can you imagine?
Yeah.
And there are
Wait,
two of them.
yeah.
So all together, here got 4, here got 2. So I got 6 of 16 root 2. Take away 2 of 16. You try to multiply and see whether you got this approximate value or not. So this is the exact value. This is the exact value. So in the exam, can I ask for exact value? The answer is a yes. So if the kinematic is a trigonometry function, correct? So if you want to find the total distance traveled, correct? Especially when they ask for exact value, you go to the displacement function, is so much easier. And you keep repeating. Are you okay? Hello? Canada? Oi. Class, any issue? Huh? Any issue on this? No, huh?
No.
Okay. So I'm just telling you, huh? So a lot of math problem depend on how you want to approach the problem, okay? So the choice is yours. But if they ask for exact, you definitely can't do it from here. That means you have to integrate one by one, you have to substitute and get the answer to get the exact. You can't use your GC and it's going to be very troublesome. Am I right? Hello? So it's best to go back to the displacement function. Yep. Okay. So can we? Do you see? I just WhatsApp you 2 questions. You see the question? Okay, can you please read the first question? That is question 17. So this is a cross section of a road tunnel. And the function for this curve is yeah, right? So all measurements are in meter. Find the exact area from above the entrance, which is to be concreted. That means I want to know here. Yep. Okay. May I know what is the height of this one? Hello? Okay, someone tell me it's 5. How you know it's 5? How you know it's 5? Can you explain? From here, this is the amplitude, am I right? The maximum value, yeah. So this is 5. So what is the width then? What is the width? So here is 0, here is also 0. The y is 0. So how am I going to get the width? Can someone help me? So how am I going to get this one? I know is 0, 0, right? So this one, how about this value? X1. So how am I going to find X1? How am I going to find X1? Yimei, are you here? Yimei, how to find X1? Ime, are you here? Hello. How to find x1? You have any idea how to find x1? Hakim, you have any idea how to find x1?
Mr. Do we just equate fx equals to 0?
Yes, you are right. So I equate fx equal to 0 because the y is 0. I take this as the axis, correct? So my phi sin pi x over 30 equal to 0. So sin pi x over 30 equal to 0. So therefore, okay, sin of what angle will give you 0? Hello? This is one of them. Where is the other one?
Pi.
Pi. Yes. So the first one is here. So I will say pi x over 30 equal to 0. So x equal to 0. Or pi x over 30 equal to pi. So x equal to 30 pi divided by pi. So equal to 30. Am I right? Hello. Student, are you with me?
Yes, it makes sense.
Yeah, if I come out the exam this question, you don't know how to do. I shouldn't discuss here. Let you go and figure out how to do. Okay, good. So now what I need to do is I want to know the red region, correct? So I take the rectangle, which is 30 and 5, right? Take away the area bounded by this curve from 0 to 30. Yeah. So this is 30 times 5. Take away, integrate 0 to 30, 5 sin pi x over 30 dx. So engineer, who want to be an engineer, you have to know all this. If not, when you calculate, you don't know how much material you need to use. So this is 150. Take away, okay, now you integrate sin, what do you get?
Negative cos.
Negative
sine.
cos pi x over 30 divided by pi over 30, am I right? 0 to 30. Okay, so you calculate. So can I leave it to you to calculate?
Yes.
So please do that.
Fine.
Okay, so this will be 150 over pi negative cos pi, take away negative cos 0. Okay, negative cos pi is negative 1, correct? So it will be 150, take away 300 over pi. So this will be the exact value. So it's about 54 approximate 54.507. If they didn't ask for exact value, you can straight away count from here, okay? Do you get that? If you use your GC, do you get this value? This is
Yep, I
the
got it.
exact value. This is the exact value. This is the approximate value. Hello? Are you all with me, or you are somewhere else?
No, I got the answer already. So I'm just
Everyone got
waiting.
the answer? Anyone got different answer than mine? Yeah. If you use your calculator, you straight away get this answer. Okay, this is exact, this is a one. Okay, so clear? Hello?
Yep, clear.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so how to do the second part? So you have a tunnel, correct? This is the cross section. So how are you going to do part B? So they say the exact volume. So that's why you cannot use this. You want to know the exact value. Okay, the exact volume of concrete required to build the tunnel, if it is 200 meters. So you want to know the volume. So every time when we talk about volume, it will be area of cross section time length. So our area of cross section is 150 minus 300 over pi. The length is 200. So that is the answer. Clear?
Yes.
Meter cube. Done?
Yes.
Hello? Okay. So trigo question is not that difficult. After all, you just must know what to do on it. Okay, can we move to the question 18?
Just though, for question B, can we just leave the answer with like the times 200 like that?
Okay, you want to multiply out, Ken? Why not? That means you do like that. 3,000, 30,000, take away 60,000 divided by pi. Or you want to make it, okay. So if you want to make it better, what you can do is, you can write down the 30,000 outside. Okay, 1 minus 2 over pi. This will be a much better one. Can or not?
Okay, miss.
Okay, so can we move to the next one? Okay, 18. So you see, when you talk about high tide, low tide, these are the things that every day it will change. 24 hours, one cycle, correct? So when you talk about trigo, we always talk about simple harmonic motion. It repeated itself after a period of time. So this is talking about a section of the river, the model. Okay, so y equal to 40 sin pi x over 120, where your x is between 0 and 120. Right? So you straight away put into your calculator. So this is the river. So now another one. So this one you key into your Y1. Another one is for the road. X over 5. This is for the road. Okay, so now you want to find the area bounded by these two curves so that you can plant the tree. You want to know how many trees you can plant, roughly how many trees you can plant in that area. So architect, you also need to know max. If not, how are you going to estimate? So can you please key these two functions into your calculator?
Yep.
And sketch out the graph and find the intersection point. Okay, I'm doing it. So after I finish, you also have to finish it, okay? X divided by 120 close. The other one is X divided by 5. Go to window, 0 to 120. Zoom fit.
What?
Okay. It's quite a simple one. And find the intersection point, okay? Do you get a graph like that?
I got like a curve line and a straight line. That's about
Okay,
it.
whoever want to leave, you can leave. I don't know what you want to leave for. Is it your internet something wrong? Okay. So do you get this is your Y1?
Yes.
Yep.
And I think this is your 120. Okay. And your Y2 is like that.
Yes.
And the intersection point is 120.
Yes.
Okay. So now you want to find this area. Right? So do you know how to find? Do you know how to write an expression for the area?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the expression for the area will be integrate from 0 to 20.
Y1 minus Y2.
No, 0 to 100.
Yeah, 0 to 100 minus
minus Y2.
Y2.
Yeah, then dx. Okay, so what is your answer? This one I'm not going to do, you do.
I got 1,851 point.
1,851
.1. Rounded off now.
meter square. Okay, right? So now, they say, so how many trees can be planted? So we just say approximately, so number of trees. Can be planted will be 1851.1 divided by, this is not a max way of writing. Divided by what?
The area between the.
One tree need how many? What is the area per tree?
12.
1 tree per 12 square meter, correct? So divided by 12. So approximately how many trees can be planted?
154.
You round up or round down?
Up.
1851.1 divided by 12. So I got 154.25. So approximately 154 trees can be planted. Okay? Can or not?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. So the application part will be some sort like this. Okay? So next week, we will discuss. Okay, the other group, tomorrow we have another class for our chapter 5. I haven't discussed with chapter 5 with you yet. Oh, okay. That one, can I go back to that afterward? Okay, so this one, okay? Okay, just now, this question, why the volume? The volume equal to area of cross-section times length. Any regular shape. You want to find the volume, you got the area of cross-section, you times length, you get the answer. Any shape with regular cross-section. You want to find the volume, area of cross-section times length. Like cylinder, correct? That's why the volume of the cylinder is pi r square. That is the area of cross-section times height. Cone cannot. Cone is not regular, it's sharp. So always have the 1/3 in front. 1/3 area of base times height. Can or not? Okay. So we are done with this. So today we achieved 3 application questions. Okay. So before I end the class, I just wish to ask you, what is the integral of this? Who can tell me? First, what must you do?
You simplify it to cos square x minus sine square x.
Okay, you are right. Expand it. So after that, next, what must I do?
Use the double angle
equivalent?
formula.
Yeah, this is equivalent to cos 2x. Am I right? Cos square x minus sine square x is cos 2x. So this is equal to integrate cos, you got? Done. So all the double angle that I given you, you please write it down. Can or not? Hello?
Yes,
Yeah.
Miss.
You want to try one more or not before you leave? Let's try one more. So what to do with this? You have to learn how to simplify, correct? You have to ask yourself, can I replace cos square with sin square? Can I replace cos square with sin square? Definitely, yes.
Yes,
Because
you
we
can.
know that cos square x minus plus sin square x
Equals
is
to
equal
1
to,
minus sin square.
so cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x, correct?
Yes.
Okay, now why I need to change to this? Because difference of 2 square, I can put this as, can I? Can I?
Yes, you can.
Yeah, definitely I can. So you see, so I replace this with 1 minus sin square x. Yeah. So then after that, I change 1 minus sin x, 1 plus sin x, divide by 1 minus sin x, then dx. Then I cancel. That's why I love trigo. It is very versatile. You can change it in any way that help you to solve the problem. Okay, integrate sin, what do you get? Negative cos x, then plus c. Done. That's why trigo is a very beautiful math. You can modify it, you can change it. So that enable you to solve a lot of problems. Hello? You only have a few formula in your head. You can play around with it. Yeah. Trigo is nicer than your computer game. Agree? Disagree? Agree, you can leave the
Some
class.
debate to that.
Heavy disagreement.
Yeah. If you agree, you can leave the class. If you disagree, don't leave the class.
Oh, I agree with you, Miss. 100%.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss.
Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah. Thank
you,
you.
Miss.
Thank you, Miss. Have a good day.
Same to you.
All right. Thank you, miss.
Thank you.